Folks, hot day here in the Philippines. Standing outside my favorite liquor store. Got to pay my water bill. That's where I pay my light bill. I'm assuming I can pay my Longapo water bill here. Waiting for a gentleman in there to clear out first. And just pay my water bill, then I'll talk about how much it was. But again, coming to you from Barrio Barreto on a beautiful, beautiful Thursday. I think it's about noon, somewhere in there. You know, I always talk about these leaning tower of pizzas. The leaning power poles, which are endemic to the Philippines, Southeast Asia, especially Philippines. But this one here cracks me up, right? Got this big road widening project, nice roadway, 4 lanes, a little bit of sidewalk, a little bit of shoulder and spots. And then you got this one pole right here, right in the middle of the lane. And it's painted white, and it's got one tire. I mean, you got a big, wide, open area right through there to really pick up some speed. So if somebody doesn't know this area, and they're clipping through here wide ass open, not paying attention, folks, I think somebody's gonna wrap their ass around this pole right here. I really do. And I don't think one tire for the shock absorber is going to get it. And hopefully they got a plan in place to move this damn pole. I'm sure they do. You got a couple more on the fringes, but that guy right there is like right in the middle of the action. I'm surprised somebody hadn't crashed into it already. I mean, that's almost dead center of the lane. I got my water bill paid. You know, we're on I guess the Longapo water. Hell, I didn't even really read it. The Longapo water power at that liquor store back there, right next to Whiskey Girl. Friendly young lady in there. Shout out to her, beautiful young lady. And she'll help you pay your water bill or your electric bill, no problem. I'm not sure what all you can pay up in there. You know, I usually pay all my stuff. Well, I pay several things on the coins.ph app, but a Longapo water and power is not something that I can pay. Here's a look at the road construction going on down the main drag here in front of Barcelona and Sitting Bull. A little bit dusty, but there you go. We're gonna have some brand new pavement here to go all the way down to Sitting Bull. That's awesome. Price of progress, a little bit of dust. And folks, I don't even think I've showed you my haircut. Shout out to my man Raymond and all the ladies over there at the salon. It's just right next to Cheap Charlie's, across from, you know, Bottoms Up and Hot Zone. It's owned by Jason's sister-in-law, his wife's sister. Old lady got a rebond, looking great. But Raymond did a great job on my hair. Man, shout out to you. Certainly appreciate it. Got a manicure, pedicure. I'm all ripe and fresh and feeling crisp. But I didn't skin up my head. I just got a little fashion going on. I'll have to show you. Wild Paradise Bar. What it used to be. All right, so before I forget, back there it was 48.15 on the exchange rate. Get back to paying the water bill. I'll just give you the numbers here. Water bill is 662 pesos. Let's see, what's that, roughly $13.67. And that's for the full month. The electric bill, when I did that video, I kind of had to round it up. We weren't here for a whole month, but this is for a whole month. So there you go. You know, just estimate 15 bucks. 15 bucks on the water bill. That's what we're coming in at. And she washes clothes every day. You know, of course, she likes to swim in this little swimming pool back there. So we could slim that down. But okay, 15 bucks on the water, $105 on the electric. That puts us at what, 120, plus about 5 on the gas. We're at 125 plus 70 on my internet, which you don't have to have that fast of a package, but obviously we need the speed. It's a total 195 on our utilities. Here at the 2-bedroom, 1-bath Uptown Bungalow in downtown Barrio Beretta. And look, everybody's budget's different, everybody's wants, needs, everything differs. All you can do is just take a sampling of what I pay for my living expenses, watch 50 other people running YouTube here in the Philippines, listen to their living expenses, and somewhere in between all those, that's where you're gonna fall. If you like pina colada, yeah, or Captain pineapple juice. Folks, had that pork one, but I don't think anybody wanted pork roast 2 days in a row. We already had it thawed out. I just chopped it up. I'm gonna chop up the rest of these vegetables because she's going to the market for a fresh resupply. So what you see is what I'm gonna put in there. Maybe not them lemons. But that's what I'm doing, folks. I'm drinking. Got my cast iron combo cooker, about to fire it up. I want you to just check out this beautiful scenery out here, folks. It is such a nice day. It's breezy. It is cool. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, it's hot as hell. It is like turning summer hot. But luckily, we got a cool breeze coming through. I got my guava tree for a shade. My little boy's sleeping. So I'm gonna cook a badass meal so when he wakes up, be eating like a prince. And folks, baby, tell him what's the name of this. What you making? It's making a mango shake, mango float. Mango float. And what it calls for is some cream. You gotta have the condensed sweetened creamer, and you have to have some gray hams. These are called gray hams here. Like it says. I mean, if I looked at that, what does that mean? Gray hams. In America, we call them graham crackers. Here, they're gray hams. Like a greyhound. No, I need that for my soup. That's going in my pork soup. You use your new thing over there. Baby, I gotta have that for my pork soup. Nice try. But I got a award-winning pork soup going on over here. If I can just get that meat tender. A little tenderoni, like this tenderoni. My goodness, you look beautiful today, baby. Wait a minute, I see an unauthorized pair of Daisy Duke shorts. Where did that come from? Fake Wranglers. Where'd you get the fake Wranglers, baby?
So look in the old video if I wear this or not. If I wear this is old.
Folks, tell me if you've ever seen those in a video before. It's multitasking. That's energy efficiency. Killing 2 birds with 1 stone, because that stuff is cold, it's thick. I'm gonna bubble it up and it'll pour right in there. My God, I'm a genius. Wait a minute, I just observed another unauthorized shirt purchase, because I ain't never bought no FUBU, ever. Honey, I've never bought FUBU ever in my life. Where did you get that? Maybe your boyfriend sent that to you. You bought that today? Fatima. And folks, what she's done, she sliced up some sweet mangoes, right? Don't get the sour mangoes. Not the mangoes right off the tree. You gotta get the ripe ones. You gotta get the sweet mangoes. No. Typically, a Filipina doesn't like sweet mangoes. She wants the sour mangoes, the green ones, with some butter. Oh!
I buy a different.
I know, but usually you want the mangoes with the bagaong.
Yeah.
But with this does not call for bagaong or sour mangoes. This is for sweet mangoes. Okay? This is nothing but graham crackers, sweet milk, just beautifully sweet mango. I promise you, you'll love it. For a second layer? How many layers you gonna make, baby?
I don't know.
You're gonna make as many layers that will fit in that Tupperware, huh? I tell you what, babe, I got a better idea. Let's take this to the market and sell it and make the money instead of you eating it. Is that a good idea? Huh? I give you a small piece. Huh?
I get first.
And I give you 5% of the profits.
First lang.
It's time to go from Asia over to Italy. Boom, look at that, creaming it up. All right, so that's what it looks like when I'm creaming it up. I'm gonna put the lid on there for 5 or 10 more minutes because what I'm trying to do is simultaneously soften up that pork. That pork loin, that shit's tough as hell unless you cook it, 12 hours in the slow cooker. I've only been cooking this shit for about an hour. And once, I think 10 more minutes like it is, then I hit it with my sweetness and then let it sit, and that's gonna be tender meat. If not, it's gonna be too tough. You're gonna be trying to cut it with a damn knife. I want it to just melt in your mouth. Baby, is that the last layer?
Yeah.
Okay, so how many floors we got on that little mango combo? 4?
4. Yeah.
So we got a 4-floor gray ham condo. Baby, what are you gonna do with it once you get done? You gotta freeze it, right?
Yeah.
Put in the freezer for how long? Huh?
Not freezer, just in the.
In the ref?
Yeah.
For how long?
After you hold it, if it's.
All right, let's put it in there for 3 days. So this is 50 pesos per kilo. That's $1 per kilo, folks. If you're from the West, the kilo is 2.2 pounds. So that's about $1 for a little over 2 pounds of rice. You picked up 5 kilos?
Yeah.
And that's her little box. We bought that to go camping, but it's working out good for her rice. We're gonna take that camping with us. Keep the bugs and everything out of the rice.
Everything nice.
Check out this Cadillac rice cooker. You got to plug it in down there, baby. Now see, you got to cook. That thing is cooking. It's a damn Cadillac. It'll start venting over here like Mount Pinatubo. Look at that. That's a Cadillac. Baby, I tell you what, I don't think your rice cooker is big enough. I want to get you a bigger one. What do you think?
I'm the only one who is.
I know, but listen, can I tell you a secret? I like big butts and I cannot lie.
Like that.
Oh, so you're doing a little sprinkle.
Yeah.
In Central Station. It's about time, folks. I tell you, I will serve no rhyme before they time, but it's time for the sweetness. It's time for the sweetness going in here. That's about a third of a can of that sweetened condensed milk. All right, girl, what you got? Now, what's the next step? All right, let's see. Let's demonstration. If somebody at home wants to make this dish, they got to see the demonstration.
I put it in the freezer.
Put in the freezer? All right, put in the freezer, baby.
Just
No, that's my ice. Did you just take a big ass drag off of my ice? I didn't put that in there so you could drink cold water. That's my damn ice for my rum. Honey. Folks, this Filipina don't care. She a straight up food gangster. Food gangster with unauthorized fake Wrangler shorts on her booty. Chomping down on that mango like it was a chicken bone. I'm only one call away. Baby, I know those are new fake Wranglers. You need a friend. Work it, baby. Work. I'm gonna have a pole installed. Money. Give me your money. World dance. Price tag. Yeah, give me some more dirt in there. Kevin gave us that, what is that, basil? What is that? No, oregano. Gave us the oregano plant. Now, since we've been over here, that somebody's been growing. Baby, how's my soup, baby? Is it good? Folks, look at this. My God, that pork stew. I put a little rice in. I told put a little bit of rice in the bottom. Absolutely delicious.